In this video, you'll learn how to use Microsoft Loop with Planner, and to do so, you can keep all your tasks organized in one place and always up to date. We'll start right from opening Loop, then move through creating a task list, connecting it to Planner or To Do, and finally show how to track everything directly inside Loop. First, open Microsoft Loop. You can do this in a browser by going to the Loop web app or by opening the Loop app if you have it installed. When Loop opens, you'll usually land on a workspace or a list of recent pages. If you already have a page where you want to manage your tasks, go ahead and open that. If not, create a new page so you have a clean space to work in. Once you're on your page, you're ready to insert a task list component. Click into the body of the page where you want your tasks to appear. Type the /key to bring up the Loop component menu. From the menu that appears, search for task list or scroll until you see the task list component option. Select it, and Loop will drop a new task list right into your page. You'll see columns for things like the task title, assignee, due date, and status, depending on your version and settings. Now start by giving your task list a clear name so you know what this set of tasks is for. Then add a few sample tasks by typing directly into the list. You can assign tasks to yourself or teammates, set due dates, and adjust any other fields that are available. This step is helpful because it gives you something to connect to Planner or To Do in the next part. Next, connect this task list component to Planner or To Do. Look for an option on the task list such as Sync or Connected Apps, usually near the top of the component or in a small toolbar. Choose the option to connect or sync, then select whether you want to link it with Microsoft Planner or Microsoft To Do. If prompted, sign in with your work or school account and then pick the specific plan or list you want to connect to. For Planner, that might be a particular team plan or project. For To Do, it could be a personal or shared task list. After you confirm the connection, Loop will link the task list component to that Planner plan or to-do list. Give it a moment to sync. Any tasks you already created in the Loop task list may now appear in Planner or To Do, and existing tasks from those apps may appear in Loop depending on how the integration is set up. From this point on, you can track tasks and updates directly inside Loop. When you change a task status, update a due date, or assign it to someone new in the Loop page, those changes will reflect in Planner or To Do. Likewise, if someone on your team updates the task in Planner or checks it off in To Do, you'll see that update appear in the Loop component without needing to jump between apps. Use this Loop page as a central hub. You can keep related notes, meeting minutes, and files around the task list so everything about the project lives in one place. As tasks move forward, check them off, adjust dates, and add new items, knowing that Loop, Planner, and To Do are all staying in sync.